If your provider is offering Lemonbottle to you, run. Today we are talking about Lemonbottle. Now, what the heck is Lemonbottle and why is there a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills talking about it? Well, it's all the rage over in Europe, and it's only a matter of time until we're talking about it here in the United States. So Lemonbottle is a procedure that is called a jab, because that's what the Brits call shots and injections, where you are injecting a material into your neck or body to dissolve the fat. Now, what's different about this and any other similar treatments you heard from before? Well, you could buy it online through an online pharmaceutical company, and apparently over there especially, it's perfectly legal, not because it's safe or it's been tested, but because it's not a medical grade product and instead is something that apparently isn't very formulated. And honestly, we can't even figure out what's exactly in it. And so it's considered cosmetic the same way a makeup would be. Now, here in the United States, we're going to have a lot more regulations with FDA's monitoring over what it is, especially since they don't list the ingredients. But eventually, and even now, you can buy it from over there and bring it over here, as illegal as that is. So first of all, what is Lemonbottle? What we know about it is it's a treatment that costs about 28 pounds to 30 pounds, whatever that is in US dollar, to ship over about 10 milliliters or 10 vials of. That's a good enough area to be able to treat the under chin area. And if you're doing the body, obviously you'd want to do more. And for the most part, this is a DIY treatment. I've talked about one of these in the past, which is a less strong version of Kybella called Cabeline. This came from Korea and people were illegally buying it. It never took off. And I'd warned everyone to be really careful because I've seen practitioners get into trouble with it as a DIY treatment. Just because it's a lower dose doesn't mean it's going to have less risk. It means it's going to work less. And as much as we like to save people money and do things at home by ourselves, this was a hard pass. Stay away from. For the most part, I haven't seen a large influx of that or people who've used it. I think I've seen one patient who've used it and needed lipo afterwards, but for the most part, I didn't see much of it. Now, here comes Lemonbottle. Lemonbottle is even cheaper, and there's no deoxychol, which is the active ingredient in Kybella, no detergent. Now, what we do know that's in there is going to be riboflavin, lecithin, and bromelain. Bromelain is a medication we use topically and orally to help with bruising and swelling. It's a digestive pineapple extract enzyme. And the only fair thing that we've read is be careful if you're allergic to pineapples. Now, there is a pretty cool video that, from a layperson's standpoint would work well, where someone injects the Lemonbottle into a strip of meat and the fat dissolves. Now, I would be willing to bet that if you injected Coca-Cola, you'd also see a similar result. I'm not saying Coca-Cola is good or bad for fat dissolving, but probably wouldn't want to inject that into yourself either. Now, this natural material is injected in high volumes into the area. There are some side effects that are listed, but the majority of the information available, including from the company who makes it, is simply from people who have tried it and med spas in the area who are unregulated and are able to use it on their patients. You can see some level of improvement, and though I would certainly not recommend it to moderate or severe amount of fat, you can see some improvement. I see the temptation where there's a reason when it's that cheap to try it. However, I would warn you of two things. Number one, don't be first. There's been some stories of unevenness, burning, allergic reactions, things that probably wouldn't be the worst if you avoided spending $4,000 or $5,000, but eventually there's going to be a more major risk. The secondary factors is learn who is injecting it into you. I did have one patient who had lipo done by a nurse in Virginia, came to me for a revision consult because it wasn't done properly. That's its own problem unto itself. But that med spa attempted to fix the problem by injecting Lemonbottle. If your provider is offering Lemonbottle to you, run. Hear that again? Run, because that is a red flag if I've ever heard a red flag. That is not a professional grade product. If you're a professional, you want to be using higher grade products than the DIY things and make sure your provider has more skill than to be using that. In the end of the day, until we truly know more about the product, which will come out when or if they even try to get FDA approval in America, I'd be willing to bet they're not even going to bother trying. When and if that does come out, we will see side effects and downsides. at the same time as probably the most important thing, a lack of efficacy or ineffectivity. It's not going to be as good as other treatments. And now this one does, I get it from a patient's perspective, makes sense. You're like, well, if I try it 1 or 2 times and it doesn't work, I'm still only out a couple $100 worst case, and I can go through the procedure afterwards. Hold right there. When people have had even Kybella or any of these treatments, it creates scar tissue, makes your surgery results more difficult, makes your recovery difficult, and more importantly, especially in my office, it's going to make it more expensive because I consider that a revision surgery. Now there you have it. Is Lemonbottle safe? I don't know. Does it work? Probably a little bit, but not as well as other options out there. And if you have a provider in the United States offering it, run. Hope that was helpful information. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below and give this video a like. Talk to you guys later.